how to set S Pen Air View pointer previews or both on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on advanced features. So you will see advanced features is here, so click on advanced features. Now here, so you will see third option is S Pen, so click on S Pen. So you will see second option is Air View. So if you want to set Air View, so click on Air View. So after click on Air View, so make sure Air View button is turned on. So after turn on Air View button, and you will see previews and pointer is here, and pointer only and previews only is here. So you will select from here pointer only, previews only, and previews and pointers. So after selecting, go back to home screen, refresh home. So that's how you can set S Pen Air View pointer previews or both on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.